Severe weather sirens, they're scheduled to be tested later today. So if you live on the Missouri side, we're talking about 1:30 p.m. On the Kansas side, a little bit later for you, 6:30 p.m. So it's a good idea that when you hear the siren, just kind of go over your safety plan and make sure that your weather radio is working and all of that. Now here in Missouri, money will be spent to install two new outdoor severe weather warning systems. One will be in Independence, the other in Blue Springs. Also, money will be spent for tornado safe rooms. Now, the governor says it's critical to be prepared when it comes to weather and natural disasters. Now, even though we mentioned the siren drills today, well, some city offices and businesses, they're going to be holding their own weather safety drills. It's a good idea for you and your family to also come up with a safety plan and practice your drills at home.